Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is using be-verbs am, is, was, are, were correctly in sentences. But before that, let us have this activity first. Give the action shown in its picture. For the first picture, and the action is sleep. The second one, right, swim. And the third picture, the action shown is run. The words swim, sleep, and run show action. Words that show action are called verbs. In fact, a verb is defined as an action word. But do you know that there are verbs that do not show action? Yes, that is right. They are called be-verbs. Let us read this short composition. Not too long ago, I was sad. My friends were sad too. We missed each other. But now I am happy. Jenny is happy. Johnny is happy too. We are happy because we are together finally. Did you notice the underlined words? The words was, were, am, is, and are were underlined. Do you know what these words are called? Am, is, was, are, and were are be-verbs. Be-verbs do not show action. Rather, they indicate a state of being. Be-verbs are used to describe something or someone. Example: she is beautiful. The show is awesome. A be-verb also acts as linking verb in a sentence. It links or joins the subject of the sentence to its predicate or adjective complement. Example: this is exciting. We are glad you're here. How and when do we use the be-verbs am, is, was, are, and were? Let us study this table. The table has three columns. In the first column, we have the be-verbs. In the second column, it is written how and when to use it. And in the third column, we have an example. Okay, for the first column, we have the be-verb am. Am is used when the subject is I, and if it is in the present tense. The subject is I and it is in the present tense. Example: I am healthy. I am telling the truth. Let's go to the second be verb. We have is. Is used when the subject is singular and in present tense. Example: Kara is beautiful. My friend is kind-hearted. So both am and is are used for singular and in present tense. Just remember that am is used for the subject I. Was. Was is to be used when the subject is singular but in the past tense. That is, the action is already done or was already done. Example: I was glad to see her earlier. Eric was my neighbor before. So you have the words earlier and before to indicate that the action was already done. Next, we have are. Are is used when the subject is in plural form and in the present tense. Example: the children are having a good time. They are enjoying the show. And finally, were. Were is used when the subject is in the plural form but in the past tense. That is, the action was already done. Example: Bea and Dom were here earlier. They were my classmates in elementary. Now, let us have an exercise. Fill in the correct be verb to make the sentence complete. Choose your answer from the box. Are you done? Let us see if we have the same answers. Did you get it right? Remember, be-verbs are verbs that indicate a state of being. These verbs do not show action, but they are used to describe a subject. For singular subject, we use is and am if it is in the present tense, and we use was if it is in the past tense. For plural subject, we use are in the present tense and were in the past tense. This table will help you remember the rules better. For singular, we use is and am in the present tense and was in the past tense. For plural subjects, we use are in the present tense and were in the past tense. Here's an activity to find out whether you have learned something today. Supply the missing be verbs to complete the sentence. Are you done? Now check your answers. I hope you learned something from this video today. If you do, please do hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons for more contents like this. This has been Miss G's Brainery. Till next time!